Hey guys, hi all, welcome to Innovative Insects. So today I am going to show you how to prepare a lantern in we can say in a minimum 1 hour. So this is what the golden paper which I have at my home, which readily available, and this is something we can say the boxes which we have like shoes box or shirt or pant box. So from that box you can see over here I have cut it two similar rings out of it. So these rims are going to nothing but going to play a role of a skeleton of your lantern, and also you can see there are three poles which I have connected that we have to connect with that rim. So moving to the next part, let's take a piece of paper, a good thick paper. Use a glue stick on it. With the help of that, it will give a strength to your skeleton, because all in all the beauty definitely will look from outside, but strength is very important on it. So I'm just sticking the glue on the corner of that paper, and the skeleton what I have shown you in the first part, that I'm going to stick on it. So you can see this is how it will look like. Definitely there are some chances it may release your paper, but you have to adjust it. Next point is I am going to prepare a upper body of the lantern. Take a new piece of paper, A5 paper, and on which you can say 3 cm from upper side. Now what I am doing, I am going to prepare a upper side of our lantern. So I have taken one paper, I have folded that paper in between, and on top I have taken a 3 cm gap. So after that what I am going to do, I am going to do each 2 centimeters gap, and after that I am doing a marking on it. Guys, I am new to YouTube, so definitely please excuse me if I am not sounding, because I am not that much professional, but I am trying my level best to showcase how we can prepare this lantern at our home. So this is how. Once we will draw the lines, we have to just easily cut on the lines, and you can see the paper will look like this. After that, to hide the lines from the opposite side of the paper, you just have to fold the paper into the round shape, and if you pinch that paper in between, you can see the upper body of the lantern looks very impressive. After that, what we have to do, similarly we have to cut the tails of the lantern. So this is how. On same piece of paper, I have take the 3 cm from the upper side, and straight away with the 2 cm each gap, I have cutted the tails of our lantern. Moving to next part, the upper body, the upper side what we have, as I have shown you, we have cutted that. I am going to paste it on the skeleton, the first part which I have shown you, on which you can use stapler also if your glue is not that much we can say able to stick the lantern. So once you are like you will put the stapler, the upper body will look like this. Moving to the next part is the tails. So tails of the lantern, so here I am going to again adjust the tails in a round shape to our lantern. While this way you can see I have made the stapler. After that, as I have shown you in my first part, there is a available piece of paper which I am having, the golden one. You can use anything just to showcase and to hide the stapler pins. You just have to stick that we can say the attractive paper on round of it. After that, I am making holes for hanging our lantern. So that is nothing but why I am making this hole in earlier stage, because the way I have put it the you can say the strip, a golden strip in below to hide our staplers and the gumming work, everything. Similarly, to hide these holes, see, now you can see I have prepared the holes first, and then I am putting this golden paper slide. Okay, after that you can see now I have matched all the corners, and this is how the output will look like of your lantern. It will not take more than an hour. So guys, just like, subscribe and press the bell icon of the innovative.